Hi guys, today we're going to be making Snickerdoodle cookies without butter. So first we're going to put the oil and the sugar and the eggs in. We're also going to put the vanilla in. So now it looks about ready. So we're going to add the flour, the baking soda, the salt, and our cinnamon, and mix it all together until it's a thick dough. So now we have to make the sugar coating. We have sugar and cinnamon. I'm going to mix it. So now I'm going to take my spatula and get it off the tattle. I'm going to take a spoon and get it about this size and roll it with my hands so it's about the size of a walnut. And I'm going to put it in my sugar mixture, roll it around till all of it is covered, and put it in my tray. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Slightly press them down if desired. Bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. Be sure not to overcook them or they'll be as hard as rocks. So this is a finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.